We started growing kale 25 years ago. Most people did not know what it was, how to use it, and what it was good for. We had to educate our customers and
Ourselves as well, because we're always challenging ourselves when growing what unusual things we can try, what's in the seed catalogs that maybe nobody knows about. This is like the one plant that does everything from your hair, your skin, your nails, your heart, your liver. It boosts immunity. It's an amazing superfood.
Hi, my name is Justin, and I'm a second-generation urban farmer, and this is my sister.
Anais, and we're from the Urban Homestead in Pasadena, where we're growing food to feed our community. The Urban Homestead started in 1985 when my father moved his family to Pasadena, California, and we started farming here in the city. We're utilizing the front and backyard as edible landscape, so instead of traditional lawn, might as well water something that can produce food, not only for us, but also beneficial to all of our community. And kale has many benefits. It is a superfood, from immunity boosting to antioxidants. Not only is it nutritious and has a lot of vitamins like A, K, C, it also has more calcium than milk. Has a lot of minerals. It's just great for your skin, for your heart, for your liver, for your hair. It is a superfood.
We grow many different kinds of kale. We grow red, white, the lacinato, the dinosaur kale, the red Russian, and the curly blue. Our farming practice is very intensive. Dad coined it square inch method of gardening. We like to grow everything really close together and try to cram as much produce in every square inch of the properties. We've been growing naturally, organically. We try not even to spray organic pesticides, because if you're spraying something, something else is wrong.
We basically let nature do her thing, and if the soil's not well, then the plants are susceptible to disease and pests and things like that. So in a sense, that's how we grow the soil first, and then the plants second.
We sell our kale in our salad mix direct to consumers and also to caterers and country clubs.
So we have a farm box program, and people in our community come and pick up their farm boxes, and so a lot of the kale goes into there as well.
Here we have our next generation of kale starts. This kale is about 2 weeks old, and in another couple of weeks they'll be ready to plant in the ground. We start them in these little trays and these little blocks to get a head start on the next crop. And we plant them in the beds when they get a little bit bigger. Baby kale could take 3 or 4 weeks to grow from seed, and it can last as long as 3 or 4 months. And you can pick it in all stages and all sizes. Here we have some baby kale in the raised bed. We grow them really close together. A few hundred seeds in each row, and that dwarfs and bonsais the kale, so it's very easy kale mix for the salad. I'm planting our next bed of kale. So we have the staggered 5-4, 5-4. We're able to fit more in a raised bed. This is scarlet kale. If they're leggy, you can plant them up to the stem, higher up to keep them from falling over. And then after planting them, we'll water them with the drip irrigation. In a few weeks, they'll be ready to pick. My role on the farm is to plant, pick, and grow everything. It is a lot of work, but it's very simple, and I love what I do. So here we have ornamental kale. We have a red and a white. It's a different kind of kale, and most of the time we sell it to caterers and private chefs for garnishing. It has that bright colors, pretty hardy leaf. A couple of our customers use it for kale chips too. They are very hardy and they hold up well when they dry up, and it's beautiful, multi-purpose kale. Here we have a different kind of kale. It's dinosaur kale. This one, they have the texture, it looks like a dinosaur skin, or it's also known as lacinato kale. And it's been growing here for about 6 or 8 months. It likes a little bit of shade in the summertime, and so that's been helpful in keeping it growing. Once you pick kale, it starts losing its nutritional value, so the closer you are to the harvest is better for you, and it lasts longer too. A couple customers, strong word, hated kale. So she went in the back, picked a bunch of kale, and the lady ate it there, and she said, You couldn't believe how it tasted different than the store-bought kale.
You can definitely taste the difference. When it's, direct and you're getting it so close to home, the taste is amazing and you can taste the difference. To use kale, you can simply stir fry it in some olive oil and add a little bit of garlic. I love this like a warm kale salad with fresh dressing and a little bit of cranberries and some nuts, and it's so great. Try new things, try a new green, and it might blow your mind.